last week was really good for me, to be honest, man, because EU paid me nice. Caught over 190 pips. EU, bro, like beautiful Friday, bro. Woke up, cash out early morning. That was a beautiful Friday for me, man. These are the trades that we took on Thursday or Friday, right? Gold, we actually made money off of gold, and we had two entries on EU. We're currently holding EU as well. I took like 80% of my profit, and I moved my stop loss to entry, so that way the trade will be risk-free, right? I'm not going to lose anything at all, right? So it's always good to take some money to pay yourself, and then you move your stop loss to break even, and then you're chilling, right? I'm going to show you guys the EU trade. You guys are going to see the exact same setup, right? The exact same strategy that we use every single time. Where's EU? I'm going to do the analysis on the monthly time frame as well, right? I'm going to place my support level, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, right? And it took off. You can add a couple more levels as well. I'm going to place one right here, right down there. Let's see. There you go. That's much better, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, right? And I'm going to place my resistance level up there, right? And then you go into the weekly time frame, right? This is where EU is currently at, right? Went above it, came back to retest it, close above it, and now it's currently trying to break the monthly resistance level, right? And that's why I told the team to take some money on Friday, because I've noticed that EU is currently at a crazy resistance level, right? So this is a daily time frame, right? I'm going to show you guys why I call the trade. But before that, can you guys tell me what's the current trend on EU? Is it bullish, right? The overall trend, is it bullish or is it bearish? Is it going up or down? Like this entire move right here, like this, right? Is it bullish or is it bearish? Is the market trending up or is it trending down? Bullish, exactly, right? So the minute you get the trend right on the daily time frame, man, bro, I'm not saying again, the only way you can lose this trade is if you're not patient enough, right? Or there's manipulation. There's nothing that you can do. There's a manipulation, right? So it is trending up. So we're looking for buyers only. And also, if you look on the left side, right, it was trending down a little bit, trending down, trending down, trending down, right? If you got your trend line and place it on the left side, you're gonna see EU as trending down and book above that downtrend, came back to retest it, and since that it's been going up, right? But the first thing we have on the daily time frame is bullish. Now the second thing you have to do is place your higher lows and higher highs, right? So if you go to insert, grab your rectangle box, right? The market give you a low right here, right? Went all the way up to give you a high, right? Let me zoom in so you guys can see. And it came back down to give you guys a what? Right? Because this guy closed above the previous low, right? So what would you guys call this? You got the low, right? You got the high, and you have the what? High low, exactly. And then guess what, guys? If you grab your fib, you place it from the low to the high. This is at least a 61% retracement, right? Let's try it, right? Place it from the low, right? From the low, which is 100%, the high is going to be at 0%, and you're going, guess what, guys? Came back, this came to the 61%, right? And then it took off since then, right? Then all you have to do is repeat the same process over and over and over again, right? And then the market went all the way up to give us a higher high. Then it came back down to give you a higher low, right? Let's say before all that move happened, right? And then you've noticed the market give you a low, give you the high, give you a higher low, then give you the higher high, and you catch the market retracing a low bit. So all you have to do, man, when I tell you, you grab your fib, right? You place it from the most recent higher low, right? This guy right here, you can even place it there, right? All the way up there. And guess what, guys? Came back to the 61% again. Took off. I'm telling you, that's money, right? Place your buy, 78.6 for stop loss. You went all the way up to smash your TP at the 0% and smash TP2 at the minus 27%. And guess what? You have to do it. You have to do it over and over and over and over again, right? And you have to place this as your next higher high. Then this is going to be your. This is going to be your what? Higher low. So all you have to do again, right? When I tell you, man, once you discipline enough, right, and you know the strategy works, all you have to do is sit, right? You know the market is currently trending up, right? You place your fib and you wait for the market to come to the area of interest. You get in, right? Place your stop loss, place your TP, you just go on about your day, right? And then you place your fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high. And I can guarantee you again, this at least has to be between 50 and 61.8%, right? Let's see. Guess what, guys? Came to the 50 and 61.8%. You place your buy again, money, right? It's that easy, man. And then this is where we made money off EU, right? And then I called the trade because I've noticed the market went all the way up to give me the most recent higher high, and I have my higher low. Guess what I did, guys, right? I placed my fib, and I called this trade on Friday. Was it Friday morning or Thursday night? No, Thursday night. I called this trade on Thursday night, and by Friday morning, we took our money and we're gone, right? I placed my fib from the most recent higher low, right, to the most recent higher high. And guess what? 61.8%. When I tell you, man, I called this trade, right here, barely any drawdowns, right? Come to the 61.8%, right? Then it took off, right? Like we placed one entry at the 61, second entry at the 50%, right? And went all the way up, came really close to the TP1, right? It came really close to the 0%, but after the market came to that level, right, I told the team, you know what, just grab about 80% or 90% of your money and then move your stop loss to the 61.8% to make the trade at break even, right? So we took money up there. Actually, we're currently holding this trade right now as we speak, right? Probably by Monday or Tuesday, it's gonna go for the 0% to smash 0% or TP1 and to smash TP2 at minus 27%. Look at this, guy. That's all you have to do, man. Right? Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high again, and then higher, low. We got in, right? And if you want to as well, you can grab your trend line, right? Look at that. It's trending up. And I tell you, man, the minute you get the trend right on a daily time frame, the market is trending down on daily, you look for sales only, right? So you place your key structures with the rectangle boxes, right? And you use the fib retracement to tell you where the market is going to retrace, might retrace to, right? Which is usually between the 50 and 61.8%, right? These are the levels that I use for myself because this is a strategy I came up with. I took my time to come up with the 61 and 50% level. Some people, they use 125%, so this is the levels that we use, right? 50 and 61.8%. And we target 0% for TP1, minus 27% for TP2, and replace your stop loss at the 78.6, right? You get in at the 61, place your stop loss at the 78.6, and then you're chilling, right? And that's how we made money on EU last Friday, right? It's that easy, man. The strategy is very easy to understand, to be honest, right? The only thing that might kill you if you're not patient enough, right? You have to be extremely, extremely, extremely disciplined to wait for the market to come to you, right? If I see the market retracing, I'm not doing anything until I see the market actually respects the 50 and 61.8%.